Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you this bird feeder camera system from Vinguys. So this item was gifted to me to do this video, and you know me, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to unbox this, show it to you, set it up, put it out in the field, and get some real world footage and show you exactly how this thing performs. So let me get it out of the box, and then we'll get this baby set up. Take that off. The little camera hood here. And let me just take the whole thing out here. Get everything out of the box, get the box out of the way. Here's our little solar panel. That's going to keep our system charged. We have our little stand that it goes on. Got a little wind out here today. Let's see here. Got some more goodies right over here. The bird perch, instruction manual, some mounting hardware, our antenna, a strap, some little fruit holders, and a little watering cup. Okay, let me get this stuff out of here. All right, so looks like it's pretty easy to put together here. This will just snap on here like that. All right, cool. This is where our little water trough goes. Got these little fruit holders that snap down into these holes right here. Let's get our lid on. Take that. Goes down like that. Let's go ahead and screw our antenna on. This is where the solar panel will plug in when we get that up. Tilt the camera down like that. Pull this out like this. We need to get an SD card down in here. I've got one of those. And this is where our power will plug in once we get our SD card in. Get our SD card in there. So now that we got the SD card installed, let's go ahead and turn it on by pressing the power button.
Wait to be configured.
Alright, now the camera is starting up. And so we'll just go ahead and close that. Let's go ahead and plug the power cord in right through this little port right here. And then we can put the camera back like that right now. Alright, now you're going to need to download the Tris Home app. And once you've got that installed, you'll need to create your own account for that. Okay, so now we're going to hit the little plus sign up in the top of the app and find the one that looks like our bird feeder here. Okay, so it's this one right here in the top corner. Different color, but same thing. Okay, and we'll go through these here. Now you'll need to connect to a 2.4G Wi-Fi network. It doesn't work on 5G. Now, we need to put this QR code.
Network is connecting. Please wait a moment.
And it's already read it. It reads it pretty fast, and it's waiting here. Okay, so now you can see my hand right here in front of the camera. There we go. It's working really good. All right, guys, so now we've got it set up. Pretty easy setup process. We're gonna go ahead and put this in the field, and I've got a lot of birds this time of year, so hopefully gonna get some awesome footage to show you. So let's get at it. And Okay guys, so it's been a couple of weeks now. And this little bird feeder has done great. I've had a lot of birds come to it. One big old fat squirrel that loves to hang out and eat here. So what I'm going to do now is just throw a montage of videos that I've captured over the testing period so that you can see how it performed. All right, guys. Well, there's the video. So you can see it's really good, clear video. It worked fantastically. Captured a lot of bird videos. That one big fat squirrel that kept coming to it. And I was able to use the app to access it on the road, no problem, anytime, day or night. It really, I had no problem with Wi-Fi, all that. So it's a nice little system, works well, and does its job. Had no problem with battery power. The solar panel that's over here kept it charged just fine, and got a lot of really nice bird videos. So guys, if you're looking for a bird feeder that to watch your birds in your front yard or wherever, this is a pretty nice option. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please hit that thumbs up underneath the video to let me know it's helped you out. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.